PayPal is one of the popular ways to receive international payments in India. It's easy to set up, widely accepted, and works seamlessly across countries and currencies. But this convenience comes at a significant cost. PayPal charges a 4.4% transaction fee, a $0.3 flat fee, and adds a 4% markup on exchange rates. That means for every $10,000 you receive, you could lose over $800 in fees alone. Withdrawing money to your bank also takes extra steps. And if you ever need support, response times can be long and getting the right help isn't always easy. If you are looking for a faster, more cost-effective way to get paid, there are some great alternatives. Let's explore them. Payoneer, Skydo, Wise, and Pingpong are platforms that help businesses and freelancers in India receive international payments. Each of them works differently, whether it's through lower fees, real exchange rates, or direct bank transfers. Now let's break down each option in detail. Let's start with Payoneer. Payoneer makes it easy to receive international payments, but the fees can take a significant cut of your earnings, especially on withdrawals and credit card payment. So, what do you need to know about the fees? Payoneer to Payoneer transfers are free. But when it comes to other payment methods, the fees start adding up. Credit card payments come with a high fee of 3.2% plus $0.49 per transaction. And ACH bank debits cost 1% of the transaction amount. Virtual account payments are free for Euro and GBP. But for USD, there is a fee for up to 1%. And withdrawals to your local bank can cost up to 3% depending on the currency. And if you receive less than $2,000 a year, there's an annual fee of around $30. Now let's put this into perspective. If you're receiving $10,000, you could be losing hundreds of dollars in fees, especially if you're withdrawing in INR. So what about other things? Compliance is covered. Payoneer provides digital FIRA for Indian businesses and freelancers. But what about customer support? There are mixed reviews. Some users report long wait times and unhelpful responses, making issue resolution frustrating. So, who is it for? If you're a freelancer or business owner working with international clients or marketplaces, Payoneer is an option, but be mindful of the fees. Next up, we have Skydo. Skydo is a global payment solution designed to simplify cross-border payments for freelancers and businesses in India. It provides virtual bank accounts in under 5 minutes and offers a complete payments ecosystem with features like payments tracking, invoice generation, and more. And since Skydo's teams are based in India, they are fully focused on Indian exporters and freelancers, understanding their specific needs and challenges. One of Skydo's biggest advantages is its transparent pricing. It converts payment using live forex rates with no currency conversion fees or hidden charges, making it a cost-effective alternative to PayPal in India. Skydo is authorized by the RBI, ensuring full compliance with Indian regulations. It also provides free and instant FIRA available for download after every transaction. In fact, each user is assigned a dedicated representative to assist with onboarding and ongoing queries. So what about fees? Skydo keeps things simple with flat pricing model. It's $19 for transfers up to $2,000, $29 for transactions between $2,000 and $10,000, and only 0.3% for payments above $10,000. And for smaller payments, there's exclusive pricing called Skydo Plus rates, just $5 plus 0.3% per transaction. So, who is Skydo for? Freelancers and businesses in India looking for a transparent, cost-effective, and hassle-free way to receive international payments. However, Skydo currently supports only inward remittances, meaning Indian businesses cannot use it to send money internationally. Thirdly, we have Wise. Wise is a global money transfer platform available in 80 plus countries. It started as a peer-to-peer remittance service, but now offers multi-currency accounts for both individuals and businesses. Wise is known for using the mid-market exchange rate with no markups, but it does charge a conversion fee that varies by currency, usually between 1 to 2% of the transfer amount. For businesses, digital FIRAs are available, but they come at an extra cost of around $3 per FIRA for USD transfers. Wise is known for being easy to use. But some users have reported slow or unhelpful customer support, especially when trying to resolve account issues. So, who is Wise for? It works for freelancers, businesses, and individuals who need a simple way to receive international payments. But if you're making larger transfers, those fees can add up quickly. Lastly, we have Ping Pong. Ping Pong is another platform that helps freelancers, businesses, and e-commerce sellers receive international payments. It offers virtual accounts in multiple global currencies and allow businesses to pay VAT or GST and other taxes at no extra cost. So, Ping Pong charges a 1% transaction fee, which may seem competitive, but for larger payments, this can become expensive. Additionally, since their forex rates aren't fully transparent, there's a chance that you're paying more than expected in conversion fees. For compliance, Ping Pong provides free digital FIRAs similar to Skydo. While their customer service is generally responsive, some users have found the onboarding process slow and complicated. So, who is Ping Pong for? Freelancers, businesses, and e-commerce sellers who need a basic international payment solution. However, be aware of the unclear forex rates, as it might not be the most cost-effective option. Picking the right international payment provider can make a big difference for your business. Hidden fees, forex markups, and lack of compliance documents like FIRA can make international payments unnecessarily expensive and complicated. Here's what to keep in mind when choosing an international payment provider. Number one is pricing. International transactions can get costly. Look for a provider with transparent and competitive rates so you keep more of what you earn. Number two, user experience. A smooth and hassle-free platform saves time and frustration. So make sure your provider offers a simple process and reliable support when you need it. Lastly, compliance. Cross-border payments are strictly regulated. Choose a provider that ensures compliance with RBI regulations and offers instant access to FIRA and other necessary documents. At Skydo, we make international payments fast, cost-effective, and fully compliant with live forex rates, no hidden fees, and free FIRA. If you have any questions or want to know more about Skydo, check out the link in the description.